Hi, my name is Mark Bynum and I'm running an all-day workshop called The Financial Roadmap on Saturday, 4th of February. Is 2023 the year you finally get on top of your money and finances? Is it a New Year's resolution this year? Many have had money concerns, especially after the last few years, like finding it hard to save and money stress, keeping them up at night, those type of moments. Is traveling, buying a property or getting on track for financial freedom a goal of yours this year? If it is, then can you just forget about those get-rich-quick schemes and invest your time to learn true and tried, proven wealth building strategies that have been around for centuries? I was a financial advisor for over 33 years, but I also know financial advice is very expensive and I wanted to provide a better solution, a low-cost solution, like my book, The Money Sandwich, or seminars or workshops like these. So this all-day workshop is for anyone who is on a salary or in their own small business and covers all areas of money and finance. As realised, too many seminars and other workshops just concentrated on, say, either just property or the share market or even just budgeting. And I thought there must be a better way. So I came up with this holistic approach and all areas are covered on the day, which includes savings, understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt. Learn just what the rich have been teaching their kids for generations about leveraging to help them stay ahead. There'll be how to build a property portfolio regardless of what your salary is, as you want to build assets that make you money while you sleep. How to get the most out of your superannuation, as I believe 80 to 90% of Australians have their superannuation invested badly. It's tied up for the long term, so you may as well learn how to get your money working harder for you so that it could double or triple your final account balance. For this upcoming workshop, I will also have two guest specialists providing their top tips on getting a mortgage and where the property hotspots are at the moment. That will be just great here in itself. So details are on the webpage, and as our first workshop for the year, we are definitely providing a significant discount as we want you there. And also, as always, our workshops have a money back guarantee, so you really have nothing to lose. So I encourage you to take that first step in 2023 to take control of your money and financial future. How good would that be? And we just look forward to seeing you there.